Welcome, folks. This is William Caleb, the interweb strategist, coming with you today, showing you how you can earn autopilot commissions all day long without lifting a finger. Would you like me to personally help you step by step until you earn your first commission? That's the question. Would you like help step by step until you earn your very first commission? And if you've already made your very first commission, well, how about consistent commissions? And what do you need to do that? Well, let's name some things. Well, I'm pretty sure if you've been online even for a minute, you know you need traffic. And what is traffic? That's visitors, actual, real, human people who are interested in what you have to offer, the service you have to provide, the product you have that is going to help them solve whatever type of problem or issue that they're looking to be solving. Hopefully your product is the best fit. Well, I have a great product, a great service, you might say. How do you get to those people? It can be as simply as just finding where those people tend to hang out online. Where is this particular targeted traffic for your particular service at? Where do they loom? Where do they go to get their advice? Where do they go to get help? How about if you had your service or product in that exact same area? Or if you linked up with a service that puts your offer in front of those type of people. This is what traffic agencies and traffic resources are all about. So you're going to need that. A good traffic resource. A good traffic resource that has a continuous, steady amount of people interested in what you have to offer. Okay, that's one thing you need. Well, how about the offer? The offer itself. What if you don't already have that offer? Who's going to make it for you? How are you going to produce it? And even if you have the know-how, the basic tech know-how, how long is it going to take you? How about, here's an idea. If that was already done for you, how about if you had the perfect offer that already had an audience, a stream, a continuous stream of people interested in this particular offer already? A big industry, okay? And you got the traffic. Those two come together. It's going to equal profits. It's going to equal income. It's going to equal cash. But now, it's not only just those two together, but the way they synergize. How does your offer and the targeted people who are interested in offer, how do they come together? How do they come together? How will the people flow in a certain way where they see your offer in its best light, and also in a way that makes them say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and buy this. That is what's done by what we call sales funnels. Very simply, sales funnel is simply a succession of different web pages and communications to your prospect that speaks to them in such a way as to entice them to get closer and closer to buying. That's what a sales funnel does. It drives people closer and closer to making the actual purchase. Okay, now let's look at something we have here. We have a system here today that I've recently become a part of. Now, the name of this system, it's called the Funnel X ROI system. What it is, it's a full-out sales funnel system. It has all the things you need to get people to flow in through, to see a wonderful offer, to see the benefits of that offer, to see how it's going to help them. Now, in this case, the offer is, of course, a business opportunity in the home business niche. How many of you are looking for an extra way to make some extra money? How many of you are sick and tired of that job you have, that place of employment where you clock in every day, where you have to listen to this boss tell you what to do, tell you what not to do, tell you when you can take a break, tell you when you can go to the restaurant or not? How many of you are tired of that? How many of you would like to replace that? Right, I thought so. I thought you would be one of those people. Because, let's face it, that's one of the biggest niches there is. Finding a way out of the rat race. One of the biggest niches there is. Okay, so here you go. And by the way, this process starts, before I can tell you, it starts at www.dailyprofits.biz. You can go there now and you'll see this very same page. And once the person, it's set up as you can see, you get some questions, sort of like a survey style, a questionnaire, almost like a mini application, if you would. It engages the person, okay? Well, of course, the average person is going to say, yes, they would like personal help, step by step, okay? Do you have 10 or 15 minutes right now to set up your system? Which person is going to have 10 to 15 minutes to set up your system? Okay, boom. Then what's next? Okay, well, then you would just enter your email here. I'll enter email I have. Okay. And once you enter in your email, it's going, let's see, okay, and of course enter your name, of course. Enter your name. You see how it's doing? And now let's processing your request. This is the same experience that a prospect will see. You see the flow, the ease of it, the elegance of it, okay? Then it's redirecting. And of course, Mike could pick it. It doesn't really go slow. This is my system. I'm recording a video here while I'm showing multiple web pages, and that's causing my computer in particular to go a little slower. But believe me, this is very fast. It's all just because I'm recording this video for you here. And as you can see, the sales video starts to load up, and immediately a video is going to play where the system will begin to explain to you a series of steps to follow to go ahead and set up your system. And once you're set up, well, then it's going to be another series of step-by-step videos which are going to walk you through exactly how everything works. Now, what the Funnel XRI has in it, and what the Funnel XRI has in it is, it actually is a system that has several other income opportunities built into it. So far, there's a total of 5. And what these videos do, walk you into each segment of each one of those opportunities. And they all work together. Each mini opportunity within Funnel XRI is actually takes care of and fulfills a major part of any online business. Okay, let me go ahead and go inside the membership so I can just okay, logging in here now to the Funnel XRI back office so you can sort of get a look at how things look back here. I like people to see what they're getting. Okay, you're going to sign up for this whole system for free. And when you get in, you're going to see all these step-by-step videos. Now, to keep it from being overwhelming, it's laid out. You don't just see a bunch of videos scattered over the screen. It's laid out one step at a time. And it asks you questions like, have you did this step? If not, go back. Do you need to do this? It's very detailed and very interactive. You're not going to get lost. It's very difficult to get lost with this. Okay. And as you can see, you would start right here, but that would be your first video. You would see there's a couple of case studies that you have here. And you see how it says, please only proceed only after you finish watching the welcome video. That's there for a reason, to keep you on pace, to make sure that you don't skip anything. You're going to set up the first income stream. which is known as Easy One Up, which is a 100% instant commissions direct marketing response program that sells digital education, online training where members would pay a fee to watch a particular training series of their choice depending on which training product bundle that they chose. And it sets you up to earn instant commissions of you can earn $100 instant, you can earn $25 instant commission, $100 instant commission, $250 instant commissions, $500 instant commissions, $1,000 instant commissions, or even a $2,000 instant commission payment directly to you should you sign up. And of course, it's the first step in the funnel XRI. And that's another reason that makes this so successful, because the first step immediately puts you into profit mode. And the average person, by the way, folks, most people are coming in at that 250 level because they see, I mean, who doesn't want to receive $250 instantly per sale? You could take time marketing different products that maybe cost $25 to the end user, and you'll only get maybe $9 or $10 of that commissions of that as an affiliate. And that work, that amount of time, effort, and work you would put in to promote that is the same time, effort, and work you would need to promote a product that would give you a $250 sale. So which one would you rather promote? Just saying. This is step one. As you can see, I promote it. In fact, I am at what's known as the Vertex Elite level, which means I'm qualified to receive $500 payments. And there's nothing like it, folks. There's nothing like it. And there is of course, like I said, there's 5 different streams put into Funnel XRI, and that's just the first one. The second stream in XRI actually is a business opportunity that has what is called an autoresponder. And what an autoresponder does is it allows you to contact all the people that sign up under you anytime you need to via email. You remember at the beginning when I signed up, and let me go ahead and talk to you for a second, folks. You remember at the beginning when I went through the beginning of the phone at dailyprofits.biz. I went through the questionnaire, the survey, and I put in my email and my name. Well, that email and name goes into your autoresponder, and that allows you to market up to them, to follow up with them continuously for as long as they stay on your list. And the good thing about Funnel XRL system and this second step is that right now there is over 50 pre-written messages already loaded up. They're going to immediately go out to your subscribers at intervals of time and intervals of days. It's already preset. I mean, it's methodical. It's geniusly thought out. And it's going to make the sales for you. As the people come into your funnel, they flow into your main page. They take that survey. They set up step 1. You get your instant commissions, $250, $500, whatever level they come in at. Then those who don't come in right away, those who don't set that first step up right away, well, there's over 50 messages that's going to communicate to them the benefits and the reasons why they need to go on and make that move. Now, there's 3 other income streams on top of that, but those 2 alone, that's going to set you financially free just alone. You're going to get upfront paid money. That's one. And then you're going to get residual income money from the second income stream, because that one it doesn't pay you instantly, but it does pay you every single month, over and over again, from a one-time sign up. Just those first 2 income streams alone in the Funnel XOI system, folks, is going to put you where you need to be. And they have many different capture pages. Here's another capture page that I just happen to like. I just wanted to show you guys this here. Let's see. right here. You can reach this one at secret.dailyprofits.biz.